Ooh, child. Baby girl failed her eval officially and then did some paper trading and did even worse. As you can see, I got in up here and it fell down here, which means I was negative 400 ticks on NQ. So I thought I'd show it in real time because, I mean, like, that's the whole point of the journey. You could see that negative 1700. Why was I negative 17? Why? So let me tell the story. And I was trying to get my stats here. So now I was at 68.75. Now I'm at 64 because I did some things today. Let me go to today. Actually, let me make sure I get all this. Hold on, let me get all this. All this. Okay. So let's go to today. I think my curiosity was the problem. NQ has a remarkable movement where in your mind, you're like, I know what's going down. But NQ's like, not only are we going down, like say NQ is going from 200 to 100. While it's getting there, it's going to go 195, 205, 210. Then it's going to be at 185, like that quick. And it's going to be like 180. And then it's going to go back up to 195. And then it's going to be at 200, 203. And it's going to fall. And then suddenly it's at like 173. And you're just like, what the fuck? And I got caught up in that. I got in, it said order filled, order stopped. I said, wait, what the fuck? So I'm thinking I'm up. I'm like, oh shit, I done made my. I was negative 3, because that's my stop loss. I'm like, $300? Like, my stop loss was $250. So it took an extra $50 fucking dollars. But my ass didn't just sit it out. It was like, no, it's falling. Now let's look at the chart. And this is the problem with NQ that I want to master, and that's the ego thing. Now, as we're watching this, see how this is? 33, 37. You just saw it was plus 13 or 20. See how it's jumping? It's not a fluid thing. Look at it. 91.68. 91.68. Like, if you were trying to, like, figure that out. Look at that. Within, like, what's this, 20 seconds? We were just at negative 70, and now we're up 20, 22, 19. Like, it's hard. How do you stop loss that? How do you stop loss that? So if you look at NQ today, beautiful price action. I mean, you're like, oh my God. Like, I'm watching it fall. I'm like, wow. So I get in thinking, oh, okay, I didn't get into this chart. But it's moving so voraciously. I think where I messed up was I should have got in when price was like after 10. I think after 10 it's a little bit of a slower, because even as this, and this is why I'm recording this, because I want to see the movement. Because the hardest thing, now my dogs are singing because of the ambulance. The hardest thing is trying to create a stop loss, because I shouldn't have lost negative 14. But of course, I took a market order. And when you take a market order, you're going to be negative 14. Because, like, there's nobody saying, that's enough. But I ain't going to lie. I'm happy to have failed versus me still babysitting the fuck out of this account. Like, it felt good. I've done NQ so much that where I messed up was, I don't have notes. I don't have like, hey, don't enter before 10, because there is no stop loss for NQ before 10. Like, you really have to almost get it in a little bit, but even then you're still risking it. Because like I said, you could be up 20 and down 70. Like, it's that crazy. I mean, you're watching this in real time. We were just up 130, and now we are like, you know, we're back at 40. like that little, you know, it's like, yeah, it's crazy how quickly that was. So my stop loss ain't shit in this in this volatility. So kudos to everybody who, we're just at plus 70 right now. We're about to be negative 70. Yeah, see that quick. So kudos to anybody who does NQ, because you can know the direction and you can feel whatever you want to feel, but it's moving at such a way. It's almost like a fly swatter. Like if you were doing this, like you just like trying to get everybody. It's like you getting the buyers, you getting the sellers, you getting all of them. Like if you even make money, you are a champion of NQ. And that's what I'm trying to be. But I wanted to show you guys in real time I just felt like maybe 30 minutes ago, and then me trying to paper trade to understand the movement again. But the issue is I didn't take really good notes, because there's some of the lessons that I'm learning today with NQ that I probably could have learned. And yesterday I hit NQ for almost 700. But I think because I was in like the middle of the day, I wasn't in the mix of it. I don't know, but going to buy another Eval on Sunday, and we're going to start again. This is why I bought the $20 one. You don't feel no kind of way. You're not sad about it. You just realize you got smacked, you failed, and you moved the hell on. I don't know if I failed, but I know I lost too much money to continue. So I'm at, oh wait, no, I did fail. I think let me look. I think I assumed my drawdown was 15. Oh wait, this, I don't even know what website this is. That quick I could have been got. I think it's 1,000. So then I don't even remember my drawdown. See, that's horrible. I should have got out a long time ago. Let's see. Yeah, 1,000. So I definitely blew it. But yeah. They hella let me blow it. They let me take my money, they money. Oh shit. Oh well. I'm happy I failed, because I did really well. I got up to 800, but I don't know. I'm still trying to think of like what I could have done differently. Obviously, I should have did NQ with no stop loss, and I should have been okay being stopped out and moving on. But my curiosity, it's like I'm so curious. Like it wasn't even a revenge. Like I don't want my money. It was like, why doesn't this work? I was just like, how is this thing falling and I'm getting cooked? I mean, 1,400 in the opposite way is a long time to go the opposite way, to then just keep to go the other way. Like when you think about that, right? You're like, oh, like we are in a downtrend and it's going no. Oh, okay, yeah. That's a long time. Like imagine a $1,500 stop loss. Like that's just crazy that it turned around, even though I already knew what direction it was going. But it's just crazy. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys that I have more videos coming. As you can see, like we're in real time. You're seeing how crazy this is. Obviously, right now we're in some type of consolidation. It doesn't know if it wants to go the next leg up, back over whatever. Like we dropped to 79, so it doesn't know if it wants to continue back into the 300s. But we've made quite a bit of a recovery for sure. And I didn't bottom tick this because obviously this is where it fell, so I was getting cooked here. But yeah, let's see if we can get 400 ticks going the other way. I've already blown this paper account technically because you can't be negative 400 ticks. So I think I'm only up like $1,500 right now. No, 745. Yeah, so not up a lot. But I already blew this paper trading account as well because I'm keeping it at 25,000. So I gotta reset it. Doesn't matter what I make today in this little money here. I gotta reset it back to 25. 2 counts blown, but the recovery will be nice. So I'm gonna have a great weekend. I failed. and I get to start again Sunday, and we will figure out NQ. You know, we will do some better things. And we got our bullish choach, so we may. I mean, there's no order blocks here, so it's very interesting how price is stuck. Oh wow, bullish choach. Wait.